Good morning students, welcome back to online class, history class. In the last class I started World War II. Okay, World War II I started. So today I am going to continue that lesson, same lesson. Okay, so before that, once we can recollect it to whatever happened in the first day class. Okay, so I told you people, yes, I told you people, World War, under the World War II lesson, it was a great war. Yes, so which year to which year, in the sense 1939 to 1945 it was. Yes, it was conducted. Okay, 1939 to duration of the World War II, 1939 to 1945. Okay, children. Yes, so two, the powers, were divided into two under the leadership of Allied powers as well as the Axis powers. Allied powers, who are they, in the sense Britain, France, Russia and the United States of America. Okay, yes, then Axis powers, who are they, in the sense Germany, Italy and Japan. So these three countries, fought against Allied powers. Yes, so these are the things and all in the last class itself I told. Moreover, I told, causes. Yes, what are the causes are there for the Second World War? The first cause, it was a Treaty of Versailles. After the completion of the World War I, they were signed the Treaty of Versailles. It was a humiliating treaty of Germany, like that I said. Moreover, it was vindictive in nature, like that also I told. Second reason, failure of the League of Nations. Yes, a League of Nations, they were established in order to create in order to establish peace and security. Yes, in the year 1920, after the completion of the First World War, in order to maintain peace and security, they were established a League of Nations. Allied powers together, yes, they were joined together and then they were established a League of Nations, like that I told. It was failed. Yes, why it was failed? In the sense, USA was a founder, but it was not a member, like that reason also I told. So other nations also not at all, not at all respecting the terms and rules and regulations of League of Nations. That's what it was failed. The next one, rise of Japan, is a rise of after the completion of the First World War, it was emerged. Rise of the Japan was emerged. The next one, Hitler also emerged. Is he founded National Socialist Party in the year 1919. Yes, it became a Nazi party. Yes, like that also I told in the last class. Then moreover, I told formation of the Axis coalition. Yes, Axis coalition, in the sense, in the year 1937, is Rome, Berlin, Tokyo, Axis. Rome capital, Italy capital, Rome. Okay, Germany capital Berlin. Okay, Japan capital Tokyo. Yes, these three countries, they were signed the agreement that was called as Rome, Berlin, Tokyo Axis in the year 1937. Yes, then regarding the Munich Pact, I told, is it, children? Yes, 1938, Hitler threatened Czechoslovakia, the whole part of Czechoslovakia he captured. But Britain Prime Minister, Neville Chamberlain, he signed the treaty that was called as Munich Pact, but it was violated by Hitler within 6 months, like that also I told. Yes, so these are the things and all I told children in the last class itself. In today's class, immediate cause is, what was the immediate cause of the Second World War? Yes, that one I am going to explain. Yes, in the year 1939. Yes, which year? 1939. Yes, 1939, what happened? In the sense, Hitler, this the time only the World War started. Immediate cause of the World War I am going to explain. Okay, now in the year 1939, Hitler demanded, yes, what was the demand of Hitler? He demanded from Poland the right to construct a military road. I am going to construct a military road. Yes, so in between East Prussia and Germany. East Prussia and Germany through Polish corridor. Yes, through Polish corridor. So the name of the place, children, Polish corridor. Okay, then moreover, he also demanded the surrender of Danzig. Danzig, it's a capital of Poland. Yes, Danzig. Danzig also has to surrender. Like that, Hitler was asking with the Poland. Poland, what it said, in the sense, when Poland refused, the country was refused the demands of Hitler. So that time, Hitler started a lightning attack. It was called as, Blitzkrieg. Okay, Blitzkrieg, otherwise a Blitz. Okay, so lightning attack, through the aeroplane, he used to through the bombs. Okay, so that was called as lightning attack, otherwise Blitzkrieg on September 1st, 1939. Yes, so it was resulted the Second World War. So this was the immediate cause of the Second World War. Yes, because of the Hitler's demand. Hitler was asking with Poland the right to construct a military road. It should be connected with the East Prussia and Germany. Yes, so Germany, moreover, through Polish corridor, like that he was asking. Moreover, he was asking, to Poland, you must surrender your capital. Danzig also, you must surrender, like that he was asking. So this was the immediate cause of the Second World War. Yes. So the next, what is given in the sense, children, in the initial stage of the war, the Germany, yes, Hitler got a success, but it, initial stage itself, it was captured Denmark. Okay, Denmark, Norway, and France also. Who captured? Germany captured. So three countries, they were captured. Yes, Axis powers captured. Otherwise, Germany captured Denmark, is Norway and France. Yes, by 1941, what happened in the sense, all of mainland Europe till the Russian frontier in the sense border, boundary, yes, frontier was under the control of Axis powers. So till the Russian frontier, they were captured everything. Axis powers, they were captured everything. The next I am going to explain about the, so these are the things only I am going to explain, children. So what are the things in the sense, the British Navy, Royal Navy. Okay, so this was, the most powerful. This was the most powerful among the European naval forces. Okay, so regarding British Royal Navy, I am going to explain. The next one, Battle of Britain. Yes, so what are the things were happened? Yes, during the time of the World War II. Those things and all I am going to explain today. Okay, so Lend-Lease program, Soviet attack, is a Battle of El Alamein. Battle of El Alamein. Then what happened in the Asia Pacific region? Yes, war. Yes, war was there, no? So that also I am going to explain regarding Japan's intervention in China. Yes, Manchuria. Yes, those things and all I am going to explain. The last one, Atlantic Charter, is in the year 1941. It was signed in between the two leaders. Okay, the great leaders. Yes, so those things and all I am going to explain one by one. I am going to explain, children, the British Royal Navy. Yes, during the time of the World War II, what are the things were there? Course of the war, like that also we can take. Okay, yes, the next one, under that British Royal Navy. Yes, so British Royal Navy, just before I told British Royal Navy, it was most powerful among the European naval forces. Okay, so however, Britain dependent, okay, it was dependent on large scale of imports of food, raw materials and industrial goods by sea. Yes, by sea only they were getting everything from its empire as well as from the United States of America. Britain, it was involved in the war against Germany. At the same time, USA till it did not involve in the war. So from outside, it was helping to Britain or England. Okay, so that's the thing. However, Britain, British people, they were dependent. What are the things they were dependent? Food. They were, they were depending from the United States of America, as well as arms also, weapons also. They were depending as raw materials, industrial goods, everything they have to get it from the United States of America as well as from their empire. Yes, to attack this. Okay, anyway, through plane only, through plane, otherwise through ship, by sea, like that I said, is it? So by sea only they were getting everything. So to attack this, Germany, what they did in the sense, Germany developed a fleet. Yes, a fleet in the sense, group of ships. Okay, so fleet of submarines. Okay, so under the water, yes, a Nirmulgi couple, like that they used to tell, is it? Is submarines which cast danger or havoc, especially in the Atlantic Ocean, by sinking a large number of civilian ships carrying supplies to Britain. Yes, Britain was waiting for the food, food, arms, raw materials, industrial goods from whom? United States of America. They are getting, yes, by sea. So in order to attack this, Germany, what are the things did in the sense? It was developed fleet of submarines which caused danger, especially in the Atlantic Ocean, is by sinking a large number of civilian ships is carrying supplies to Britain. Is here it is given. Okay. The next one, what is given in the sense? Battle of Britain. Yes, Battle of Britain. Battle of Britain, which year it was happened? Yes, which year in the sense? 1940. Yes, 1940. It was very interesting, children. Yes, 1940, Battle of Britain. Yes, it was happened. Hitler turned his attention towards Britain. Yes, he sent his Air Force, yes, namely Luftwaffe, yes, Luftwaffe, yes, to drop the bombs on Britain. Yes, first he sent, Hitler sent Air Force, yes, the name of the Air Force was Luftwaffe, yes, in order to drop the bombs on Britain. Then next, his U-boats in the sense submarines. Yes, just before I told the children, yes, submarines were used what for in the sense, it was torpedoed. Submarines, torpedoed in the sense, in the last class I told, broke. Okay, it broke many British ships. So during the month of August as well as September in the year 1940, Luftwaffe continuously bombed on Britain or London and other cities daily. Yes, this was called as Battle of Britain. So I am going to show the Luftwaffe Air Force as well as submarine U-boats. Yes, see, this is the Luftwaffe. Yes, explained like that it is mentioned, no? So with the help of this aeroplane only, he dropped the, see the symbol, yes, German symbol, Hitler's symbol, swastika. Yes, swastika symbol is there. So with the help of this aeroplane only, he dropped the bombs on London. Yes, then moreover, his U-boats, see this, with the help of this only he torpedoed many British British ships, okay, U-boats, otherwise this is called as submarines, okay, submarines. So with the help of this only he did everything, okay, so he destructed the British goods, yes, British ships, okay, he torpedoed, otherwise he broke the British ships. So with the help of this submarine, okay, otherwise U-boat, okay, see, though British, suffered heavy losses at first. At first, heavy losses was there for Britain. Eventually, it was managed under the Prime Ministership of Winston Churchill. So that time, one word answer, children. During the time of the World War II, who was the Prime Minister of England in the sense? Winston Churchill. Yes, so he turned airstrike against. So Britain turned airstrike against Germany. So the Royal Air Force were able to cause severe losses on the German bombers. Okay, the raids, stopped after 1940 October month. So Germany was failed. Yes, so Britain started. So that time, Britain started the airstrike. So afterwards, Germany was failed in its air battle. Okay, so these are the things are there, children. The next one, Lend-Lease program. Okay, under the heading of Lend-Lease program, it's also, this one also very interesting. It was started by whom in the sense? That time in America, who was the president in the sense? Franklin D. Roosevelt. This person, the later is on the basis of the book we will teach, so that time, you can understand about this personality. So this person, when did he become the president of United States of America? Do you know, children? Yes, in the year 1932 election. Okay, in the year 1932, after the completion of the, so during the time of the Great Depression, this person, he became the president of United States of America, Franklin D. Roosevelt. So this person only during the time of the Second World War, he started a program. Yes, what is the name of the program? Lend-Lease program. Lend-Lease program. Okay, so through this program, what are the things he did in the sense? He provided food. Okay, food, arms, military equipments, yes, military equipment and the other parts also and the other supplies also to Britain in the name of loan. Yes, so anyway Britain has to give it back, is it? Yes, they have to return it back. So it's these are the things, everything they given to Britain. Okay, so in the name of loans, which would be returned after use. After using, they have to return back. So which year to which year it was this Franklin D. Roosevelt helped Britain in the sense 1941 to 1945 till the Second World War. Yes, till the completion of the Second World War. He this person helped Franklin D. Roosevelt. He helped the Britain. Yes, under that Lend-Lease program. Okay, so between 1941 to 1945, the total financial aid under Lend-Lease program amounted to 46 point. How much he spent? I am going to explain, children. How much in the sense 46 point. $5 billion. Billion. Yes, $1 billion. Okay, $46.5 billion he spent to Britain. Yes, so these are the things. So this is given Lend-Lease program. Lend-Lease program, it was started by Franklin D. Roosevelt. Yes, under this scheme, he provided food, arms, military equipments in the name of loans. How much totally he had given to Britain in the sense $46.5 billion he had given to Britain. Okay, so these are the things, children. The next one, Soviet attack. Yes, so before that, this person only, this personality, just before I told, American President Franklin D. Roosevelt. Yes, in the year, which year he came into power? Yes, in the year 1932 election. Okay, election, he got a success in the year 1932 election. He got a success. He became the president of United States of America. Yes. The next one, this person only started Lend-Lease program. Okay, so that's what I kept the photo here, children. Franklin D. Roosevelt started Lend-Lease program. The next one, Soviet attack. Okay, Soviet attack, which year in the sense 1941. Yes, 1941. Yes, 1941 he started that. Who started in the sense Hitler. Yes, Hitler. Many days I showed his photo. That's what I did not take his photo, children. On June month 22, yes, June 22, 1941, Hitler invaded Russia. Hitler invaded Russia. So that time, unfortunately, in Russia, there was a winter season started early itself. Unfortunately, winter season started early, is it? So that time, what they did in the sense, they were waiting. Yes, who were waiting in the sense, Germany. Yes, Hitler was waiting at the gate of Moscow. Okay, gate of Moscow. Stalin, yes, who was the leader of Russia that time in the sense, Stalin. Yes, Stalin had planned to evacuate the city. Evacuate in the sense, removal. Okay, evacuate the city. So he moved important government functionaries, but he decided to stay and rally around the city. So that time, Russians, which policy they were followed in the sense scorched earth policy. A scorched earth policy. They left the villages. Just before I told they removed the villages. Yes, they were removed the villages. They abandoned in the sense they left. They left the villages and set fire to crops. So they were Russians, they should, Germans, they should not gain anything like that. Who thought? Russians thought that was called as a scorched earth policy. So the Russians, they were set fire to crops, roads, railways, factories, and even houses. So this policy was called as scorched earth policy. Russians followed scorched earth policy like that. I typed, children. What is the meaning in the sense? They were set fire. Russians set fire to crops, roads, railways, factories, and even houses. Okay, so Germans, they could not gain anything. They could not gain anything after a long besiege. Besiege in the sense surrounding. Okay, they were surrounded, of 5 months nearly. 5 months, they were surrounded. Germans surrounded Russia, but Germans, they could not capture anything. Yes, they could not capture anything from Russia. So after suffering a crushing defeat in Russia, they returned back. Here I typed, returned back from Russia. Germany returned back from Russia. Yes, they were retreated in January month 1942. Nearly 5 months they were stayed. They were stayed there. They were waited at the gates of Moscow because of the winter season, because of the snow. They couldn't, enter into Russia even. But Russians, what they did in the sense, they were set fire. Yes, they were set fire to crops, roads, villages, railways and factories, even houses. Okay. The next, what is given in the sense, battle of so this is the scarced earth policy, children. See, they were set fire, to the houses. Even houses, even they were set to fire. The Germans, they could not gain anything. So that was the main intention of Russians. Okay. Sorry. The next one, Battle of El Alamein. So this is very important battle because, the German forces as well as the Italian forces defeated in this battle. Okay, so German forces under the leadership of General Rommel, yes, Rommel captured northern part of Africa. The Allied forces under the general of Montgomery counterattacked and defeated the German as well as Italian forces at El Alamein. Very, very important battle, children, in the year 1942. Yes, so the both people, Germany as well as Italy. Yes, Germany leader, Hitler, Italy leader Mussolini. Both countries are defeated. Mussolini was killed. Yes, so Mussolini was killed by the, by his country armed groups. Okay, by his country armed groups. Then, the Hitler committed suicide. Yes, Hitler committed suicide. Yes, so this history I did not tell children briefly. So when you are getting the book, I will explain elaborately. Okay, children. Yes, so this is very important. Battle of El Alamein, which was broke out in the year 1942. In this battle only German forces as well as the Italian forces were defeated. Okay, yes, so Hitler committed suicide in the year 1945. The next one, the what is given in the sense, war in the Asia Pacific region. War in the Asia Pacific region. What other things are there in the sense? Japan's. Yes, so here in the Asia area, Japan's atrocities, no one can tolerate. So in the year 1931, what happened? Japan captured Manchuria. Yes, Japan captured Manchuria. Japan captured Manchuria in the year 1931. Yes, so but China, appealed to League of Nations, but League of Nations also did not mind even. So it did not attract the attention of the United States of America as well as Britain. So those countries also, they did not involve. Yes, so this one, before starting that Second World War started only in the year 1939. Is it? Yes, but it was happened in the year 1931 onwards. It was started. Japan's atrocities were started. But that time in the United States of America as well as Britain, they did not mind even. Yes, so this in the year 1937, what happened? Since Japan invaded China. Yes, China capital Peking also, it was under the control of Japan. Yes, the region around Shanghai also captured by Japan. Civilians, a number of Chinese were killed altogether, for sport, for sport as well as, and all females from children to old women were tortured and killed by Japan. Yes, tortured and killed by Japan. Yes, so at last, I prepared about the Atlantic Charter. It's very, very important, children. So during the time of the war, yes, during the 1939 started like that, I told, no, August month, yes, August month 1941, Britain Prime Minister, yes, Britain Prime Minister Winston Churchill, yes, Winston Churchill, this person only. So here you can show, check his finger, yes, V for victory, like that he is telling. Okay, so V for victory. See his appearance. Okay, so Britain Prime Minister Winston Churchill and US President, Franklin D. Roosevelt, this both persons, met on the board of battleship Augusta. Yes, Augusta. They were signed the Atlantic Charter. Yes, here I typed, children. Both president, prime minister as well as the president, met at Augusta and signed Atlantic Charter. Augusta in the sense battleship, name of the battleship. In that board of the battleship of battleship Augusta, they were met together and signed Atlantic Charter and agreed. So that is very important, to agreed. They were agreed to launch a massive attack against their common enemy Germany. Yes, against their common, we must start the attack, massive attack. Yes, the big attack has to start against the common enemy Germany. So like that they were planned in the Atlantic Charter, which was signed in the year 1941. Yes, so remaining things, the later, the next classes I will explain, children. Many things are there. Yes, Pearl Harbor attack is there, then Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Yes, so those things, then Hitler's Holocaust. So those things and all the later, the next classes I will teach. Okay, children. Yes, so today we people, we learned about that Atlantic Charter. We learned war in the Pacific, Asia Pacific region, battle of El Alamein we learned. Is it battle of Britain we learned, Lend-Lease program we learned, Soviet attack. Yes, Soviet attack we learned. So Royal Navy, British Royal Navy, many photos also I showed, children. Okay, so I hope you understood a little about the World War II, I think so. Children, thank you very much by watching this video is patiently. Yes, in the next class we can meet, children. Thank you.